Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to give you an update of the garden. These are the tomatoes that I planted. I've been pruning them and they've been doing well so far. Here is the cucumber, um, the gungo peas over here, the other gungo peas. I see a couple of pepper buds coming up on the Scotch bonnet pepper. So as you can see, a few of them didn't make it. Like, I think it's just two though. But they've gotten significantly bigger and they're doing well. So I've decided to plant more Scotch bonnet seeds and I'm going to start them in this container. It's just a bottle. There's some holes at the bottom and this big hole right here to plant the seeds in. So I started my own compost and I put some of it in there with some regular dirt, and I'm just going to put the pepper seeds in here now. I soak them in some water. That's supposed to help with germination, so hopefully that works out. I always have, well, not really problems, but pepper seeds always take a while to germinate for me, so I decided to soak them and now I'm going to put them into the dirt.